Hey guys, Gary here again, and today we're going to show you how to wire a thumb switch.
Here's a list of things you'll need. Consult an electrician before starting any project involving electricity. Take your tape and place it where you want your thumb switch to go. Now mark the other end. And take your wire strippers or razor and carefully cut the wire housing. Now bend the wire to make sure the housing is completely separated. Now take your razor blade and cut away the cloth. Now score the housing, making sure not to cut any of the wires. Separate the housing, exposing all 3 wires. Now take the black wire and cut it down the middle. Strip both ends. Now here we usually tin the ends, but for video purposes, we're just going to twist them. Place the black wires underneath the 2 tabs on the thumb switch. Now take a flathead screwdriver and push down on the tabs, securing the wires in place. And this is what it should look like. Now take the cover and place it on top.
Now there's more than one way to do this next part, but this is how we do it here at Color Cord.
Now use your pliers to secure each corner one at a time. You'll hear a click when you know you got it. And there you go. On, off, on, off, on, off.
Make sure to check out our other videos at colorcord.com.